Let's shred some pork. Alright guys, what you got here in front of you is a Boston butt. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shred it or pull it apart. Now this Boston butt has, it's the bone-in Boston butt, and as you can see, it's kind of protruding right here. Alright, pretty clean right there. Now there's different ways of pulling apart this Boston butt. I like using these little contraptions here that I got from Amazon, and we'll put a link on the description below. If you guys are interested in buying these, you can also use forks if you want, but these just look a lot cooler. I feel like Wolverine. Wow. Alright, so the rest of this video is just, I'm going to show you how to pull this apart. You want to go ahead and station yourself with one of these on the bottom, and if this should be able just to be able to fall apart or pull apart like this. Alright, that's pretty much it. You just repeat this process until you pull apart all of your meat. So the rest of this video is just going to be me pulling on my meat. If you're still with me, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please check out my other videos on my channel. I got videos pretty much on anything dealing with smoking meats, especially briskets, and a little bit of cooking, cookout type of stuff. But yeah, go ahead and please like and subscribe, and go check out my other videos so you guys can be enlightened. These are really good because you just hold on to one part and then pull it apart. You don't want to pull it apart too much because then you're just going to get a lot of mush. You want to leave a little bit of structure to the meat that you're pulling apart. I know, Duke. Chillax, Holmes. But there's my dog trying to get some meat here. But yeah, it's as simple as that. These make pulling this pulled pork apart that much easier, less stress on you, and you get to enjoy your pulled pork that much faster. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.